I'm going to be showing you guys something pretty cool that I just bought. Getting ready for desert season out at the river house. So usually during the winter, the water level is like pretty low, so like we can't do anything on the water, but we can do stuff out in the desert. And like last year, I tried to take my go-kart out and I ended up getting stuck. So I ended up selling that because I'm been trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. So if you don't know the go-kart that I'm talking about, you can check out my other video, my first go-kart. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys my brand new mini bike that I just bought for like half of a new one. This is a Coleman CT 200 UEX. It's got 196cc engine. I don't know what brand this is. It's got a nice LED light on the front, and it usually fires up first pull. That's oh, I did not have the switch on. It sounds amazing. Yeah, as you can see, it sounds pretty amazing. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's got something that's not a torque converter. It fired right up, which is nice. It's in pretty good shape. Speaking that, I found it used and I bought it for like half of a new one, even though it's a couple years old. So yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be talking more about the mini bike. So yeah, it's got front suspension, which is really good for absorbing those bumps out in the desert. It's got big tires. These tires look like they got a good amount of tread, and they're pretty big, beefy. So I'm hoping that I don't get stuck out in the sand like I did the go-kart. So the reason the go-kart, I think I got stuck with the go-kart because I just outgrew it, like I'm too big for it now. So it's about time to sell that, because that was my first like hot rod. If anyone wants to get into mechanics, best way to start off is with something simple like a go-kart, mini bike, stuff like this. Yeah, so the rest of this video I'm gonna be driving it around. But anyway, you guys should see how bright this light is, because I didn't know how bright this would be until I just fired it up a second ago. That is pretty. Yeah, that light looks pretty bright, so yeah, I feel like that'd be great for some desert trail riding. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the rest of the video. Not supposed to happen. Let me check the clutch. Jack shaft, whatever this is. Dang it. Huh. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to fix that. Rats. Didn't even give it that much throttle anyway. Huh. Maybe I just... Yeah. Rats. Huh. Okay. Where did that pin go? Oh. Huh. Dang it. Okay. Well, I definitely gotta fix that then. Rats. Well, I guess it's gonna be a build video. Okay, now I got the chin back on, so hopefully I can see if it'll drive this time. Okay.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright, it's a fun little bike. I just gotta fix the fake tank, the storage box here. And then I need to figure out if the jack shaft or whatever the heck this thing is called needs to be fixed or not. Looking good. I'm missing one of these pins now. Fun little bike. Yeah, that was fun. I got it up. Like, it just throws you back in the seat. It's kind of fun, but scary if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah. And yeah, I know I probably shouldn't be running these tires on the street. But yeah, anyway, comment below if you think I'm gonna get stuck out in the desert or out in the sand. And then don't forget to like and subscribe.